Monetization of a YouTube channel. Hello everyone, I am Max Vilhard. In this lesson, we will discuss how to make money on your own channel and which method will allow you to earn well even if your channel has few subscribers. There are 4 ways to make money on a YouTube channel: Google AdSense, branded content, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products. We will discuss all these methods in detail in this lesson. Let us now start to discuss making money with a channel. We'll begin with Google AdSense. Google AdSense. You can make money on YouTube using Google AdSense. It means that ads will be shown before, during, or after your video, and you will be paid for it. Google AdSense is an advertising service that Google has integrated into YouTube. This service automatically places contextual text and graphic ads on websites and on YouTube. Owners of sites and channels where the ads are placed receive income for clicks and ad views. When using Google AdSense, you get 55% of the revenue from ads shown in your video, while YouTube gets 45%. Unfortunately, this method of YouTube channel monetization is only available to channel owners with a total all-time number of views exceeding 10,000. To monetize a channel, you have to become a member of the YouTube Partner Program. The description of this video contains the link to the YouTube Partner Program. According to the program rules, once you reach 10,000 views, you can turn on the monetization option in Creator Studio. Click on Channel, click on Monetize with Ads. Then ads will start showing in your videos and you will start getting money. To turn on the monetization of your channel, you will have to link your YouTube account with your AdSense account. If you don't have an AdSense account yet, you will have to create it. Let's explore the CPM, cost per mile, and RPM, revenue per mile, metrics. Both terms help evaluate your income for 1,000 ad impressions on your channel. CPM, cost per mile, means the price for each 1,000 views. This is a term used by advertisers, and this number does not mean that you will earn that amount. CPM is the price that the advertiser pays for each 1,000 impressions of their ad on your channel. RPM, revenue per mile, denotes the income per each 1,000 views. This figure means the revenue earned by the channel per every 1,000 views after YouTube subtracts its portion and other possible fees. Your income depends on how many times an ad was shown on your channel and on the type of ad. It is very important to understand that if a user skips the ad after 5 seconds, that view will not be monetized and you will not earn anything on that particular view. How much can you earn with Google AdSense? The revenue earned by channel owners with Google AdSense is tiny. Do not expect to get a large income from ads shown on your channel. 1 million views on YouTube will earn you from $120 to $3,000 USD, or US dollars. For instance, a Russian gaming channel with 500,000 subs and 10 million views a month brings its owner $1,000 a month from Google AdSense, while an American financial channel with 100,000 subs and 200,000 monthly views brings its owners $500 a month. These figures were given to me by the owners of these channels in person. What influences your income in AdSense? How can you increase your income? Geography of views. It matters a lot in which countries your ads are shown. The highest income comes from views in the US, Canada, Germany, and the UK. There is also a list of countries that pay least, such as Russia, Ukraine, Moldova, Serbia, and Taiwan. Viewing length. If you insert 3 ads into a long video, you will earn more than with 1 ad in one short video. So the longer the video, the more revenue it will bring you. Niche. Ads in some topics cost much less than in others. For example, the most expensive topics are insurance and finance. Branded content. All popular video bloggers make much more from partnerships with large brands than with Google AdSense. For instance, a large brand can pay $12,000 for the creation of 10 videos about its brand if you have a US-based channel about finance with 200,000 subs. This is a real-life example. With such a partnership, you can expect to get $1,000 for the first minute of the video and $500 for each subsequent minute if you publish the video on somebody else's channel and not on your own. You can link your channel to http://home.socialbluebook.com/ to estimate how much you should charge for a mention of somebody's product or for a video review of a product. This resource lists very low rates, but it is okay for a start. How should you search for advertisers? Usually, they will contact you themselves. But if they don't, you can write to them yourself or use the service https://famebit.com/, which helps connect brands with YouTubers with over 5,000 subs. Affiliate programs. AdSense and branded contents will not earn you much. Affiliate marketing programs can bring you much more money than AdSense. Depending on the subject and the particular program, you can earn several times more money than by advertising brands. What is an affiliate program? It means that you place a link to a product sold on a different website into your video. And if your channel viewers click the link and buy the product, you will receive a share of the sales revenue. Even if a visitor to the affiliate website does not buy the product at once, information about their visit will be saved in their browser cookies for 30 days. So if they buy the product later or buy something else, you will still get your share. It is essential that the products you advertise on your channel be thematically linked to your videos. For example, it's better not to advertise washing machines on a gaming channel. By contrast, if you suggest that the viewers buy the game you've made a video about, perhaps your audience will be interested. Here is a list of popular US-based services that help find interesting affiliate programs: ShareSale, Commission Junction, ClickBank, Rakuten, Affiliate Window. You can also register as an Amazon partner and promote goods sold by the world's largest online store in your videos. Affiliate programs can earn you lots of money, even if your channel is relatively small, much more than Google AdSense. Selling your own products. This is the most lucrative method of channel monetization. You will get 100% of the revenue, unlike with affiliate programs, and your income is potentially unlimited. You can create training courses and ebooks. You can even develop a physical product such as soap, cream, a constructor, a game, anything. You can earn a large income selling your products even with a limited channel audience. Which way of earning money on a YouTube channel should you choose? Why choose it all? Use all the methods. Activate Google AdSense. Find reliable and lucrative affiliate programs. Establish partnerships with brands. And create your own goods. Diversify your income sources. But you can earn big money even if you have very small YouTube channels selling your own products or using affiliate programs. You don't need 1 million subs to get $10,000 a month selling your own products. 50 to 100,000 subs will be quite enough.